How to make emoji smaller on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. On the next screen, scroll down again and tap on Display Zoom. Here, change the setting from larger text to the default option if it's not set to default. After tapping Done, a pop-up appears. Now, confirm by tapping Use Standard. This action will cause the iPhone to restart. When it turns back on, the entire user interface, including app icons, text, and the emoji keyboard, will be restored to its smaller, default size. To demonstrate, you can select emojis and view them as default size. Following these steps, you can easily make emojis smaller on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.